The common weed we call dandelion is one of nature's most healing herbs. Dandelion herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now we have scientific evidence for its efficacy. Note that this is not medical advice. See your doctor for that. Dandelion is scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, but there are several related species also considered dandelion. Dandelion's hollow stem is full of milky juice with a long, hardy root and leaves that taste good in a spring salad. Its latex milky sap contains many medicinal compounds such as taraxacin, Taraxol, and Taraxterol. Dandelion is one of the most well-known traditional herbs for ailments involving toxicity within blood, liver, kidneys, lymphatic system, and urinary tract, and used by many cultures around the world. Dandelion latex helps the plant when it is injured, but this latex also helps heal skin wounds and protect wounds from infection. European herbalism used dandelion to detoxify. The herbalist Culpepper wrote that the herb removes obstructions of the liver, gallbladder, and spleen and diseases such as jaundice. It is said to stimulate the elimination of toxins and help clear the blood and liver. Dandelion has also been used to treat stomach problems and has been used to blood pressure. In ancient Chinese medicine, it was used for issues related to the imbalance between the liver and pancreas. Dandelion has been used in traditional treatments for hypoglycemia, hypertension, urinary tract infections, and skin eruptions. It has also been used for appetite loss, flatulence, dyspepsia, constipation, gallstones, circulation problems, skin issues, spleen complaints, and anorexia. In Chinese medicine, dandelion has been used for rheumatism, gout, eczema, cardiac edema, dropsy, and hypertension. Dandelion is also said to increase the flow of bile. Dandelion root has also been used to heal bone infections. Native American medicine used it for its diuretic and digestive benefits and treating skin conditions and reducing pain and inflammation. Human research has confirmed many of these effects of dandelion. It is a documented blood and digestive tonic, laxative, cholagogue, diuretic, choleretic, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, anti-hyperglycemic, anti-clotting, and prebiotic. Studies have found that dandelion helps block the progression of hepatitis C virus. It also inhibits hepatitis B among liver cells with blocking rates over 91%, along with effectiveness for type 1 herpes simplex virus. Studies have also found that dandelion slows the replication of the human immunodeficiency virus, that is, HIV. The research has found that dandelion block gene expression of the virus while not harming the liver cells. Other studies have found that dandelion extract significantly prevents cell death in liver cells and stimulates immune response, slowing the progression of liver disease. Dandelion also significantly inhibits some influenza strains, including H1N1. Dandelion has also been found to boost bone health and help prevent bone loss. Dandelion extract can suppress pain molecules such as COX-2. Blocking COX enzymes is what most pain-killing drugs do, but with the typical side effect of gastric and intestinal problems. A 2012 review of research concluded dandelion reduces inflammation with strong antioxidant properties. Studies have found dandelion reduces leukocytes, vascular permeability, abdominal cramping, pain, and COX levels. Dandelion extract has been shown to slow cell damage from ultraviolet B radiation. One clinical study found dandelion tea was 5 times more effective for tonsillitis than antibiotics. This study included 1,954 people. Dandelion is one of the richest sources of inulin, a potent prebiotic. Studies have found it stimulates the growth of bifidiobacteria. Dandelion flowers, roots, and the leaves are edible. Dandelion leaves can be picked most of the time but are tastier during the spring. The roots are typically collected by digging them up during the summertime. They can then be washed, split, and dried in the sun. Tea can be made from the roots, leaves, and flowers by boiling water and steeping for 15 to 20 minutes before drinking. Natural areas are best to harvest from. Avoid harvesting from lawns or roadsides that can contain toxic residues. Dandelion extract supplements and tinctures are also readily available. Ask your health professional about dosing. Note that this is not medical advice. Talk to your doctor for that.